How to post a job on Facebook. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can post a job seek or a job or employee seeker post on Facebook. It is very simple. All you have to do is to go with your Facebook account. Then you can go either with your Facebook account, personal Facebook account, or you can go with the page account. Before we could could add an job seeking or a job offers post by clicking on a button right here, which is situated on the page. So we can add a job position and, for example, boost it on the net as a ad. But now Facebook doesn't allow this feature anymore. So all you have to do is to go to the marketplace, then you will have to see whatever you want. By seeing whatever you want, I mean that you can see the marketplace and post a listing of the job seeking that you are going to see. For example, here you go to marketplace, you create a listing right here. This is the new listing. You can go for sale like this, the item. You can edit or create a post right here and put the image of the post right here, illustration. You can use whatever you want. Here, for example, for the title, you can put a title, for example, software engineer, like this. The price you can put free or put the, for example, 500 or 5,000. The category you go with, I don't know, you have to go with whatever you want. It is up to you, or you can go with these simple steps. It is not very professional, I know, but Facebook doesn't allow this type of content. But the second option which have here, you go to Facebook and, for example, you go and search, for example, software engineer, like this, or the like this, software engineer, and see the groups that have the software engineers, like this. This is a group. Let's join this group and see the group. What do we have? Like here, you can join a group that has a lot of members, like this, software developer. I have joined this without any requirements. Here, this is the group of the employed or the software engineers or the developers that are right here. For here we have an example. I saw an example from someone that have posted the job or posted a job for someone like this. I am looking for asset management software for clothing with RFID integration. This is a job post or posting a job on Facebook. Here, all you have to do is to see on the groups. For example, software development area, you can go with the high number of members in the group. Then all you have to do is to go like this. When you are a member, you can put like this, create the post. For example, let's go with the color like this, or this, or this. I am seeking for a software engineer on, for example, on the design field, for example, for example, a salary of $500, or for example, let's go with $2,000 a month. like this. And all you have to do is to post the job. You can post it anonymously, or you can post it with your profile to let them contact you publicly and very easily. Here is the only method that we have, except the marketplace, which is not a professional one. And for example, let's go and seek another group and see what we will have later. We can see all the groups here. For example, software engineer, it is not a active group, it is pending the join. Let's go with this, for example, and see it is pending. Let's here have, yes, let's go with the requirements. For example, design, you have to join these groups so you can go and see whatever do you want. Now let's go and, for example, join this group, software engineer jobs ID. Here, these are the posts that are good looking. These like this: hiring, for example, hiring IT service desk lead, salary, this is the location, the schedule. You can see that the person in this post have set the options on a text and not an image. You can go ahead and modify or create an image on Canva for the job post, which will look professionally. For example, you can go to canva.com, and then you can create a post like this and name it job post or seeking for software engineers, and you will put your requirements like this lady made, and you are good to go. And the next step is to go and write the post. You can put, for example, software like this, engineers are needed, like this. And then you put, for example, like this, you go with the emojis. Let's go with this. This is a good emoji. You can put the emoji like this, salary, for example, salary here, like this, 1,100 per month, like this. Salary, location, for example, New York. Job or the requirements, right here you can put the requirements, put them like this, and here you can put the, for example, the field like this, and put design softwares and experience needed, like this, at least like this 4 years, and we are good to go. And all you have to do, you can add a photo like this. You can upload the photo from your computer, and then you can create the post. That was all for today's video. A little disclaimer, guys: everything created in this video, such as Facebook accounts, email accounts, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for personal uses, so you are obliged to create your own accounts and put the post on them. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.